Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're measuring axles. We got my dad, we got Ashley, we got a Mustang. Let's see what we got to order, shall we? Alright, so we got the tires out. They look a lot bigger sitting there on the ground than what they look like in the car. Hey Dad, bye Ashley. Love you. We're gonna take our big fucking hammer. Pop that bad boy loose, and then we'll grab it out. Alright guys, so got one axle pulled. And if anybody ever pulls, if you're used to pulling axles, or if you ever pulled one before, you know it's a pretty easy thing. Well, for the last 2 hours, we have been beating on this drum. I have drilled out the locking pins for the brake drums, and I took out the wheel cylinder, and we still can't get it off. So Ashley's gone shopping, of course, and my dad went to go get like pry bars and a bigger hammer. So the drum brakes ain't going back on the car, so I'm not too worried about it. It's just my luck, I guess. I really need to trim up. It's getting bad. But we're making progress. I guess I'm about to go in here and order some brakes. You gotta order. I guess I'm just gonna go with the strange brakes. Disc brakes is definitely not putting drums back on it. I don't think that's safe. So, wish us luck. I guess you'll see here in a second. Alright guys, hey, it's a little loud in here. We got the propane heater going along with these two heaters. We're gonna be toasty. Alright. So, axles are both out. I gotta knock those brakes off right quick. Now, here's something you probably ain't never seen. These are 23 spline Danas. Yeah, right into the light. I'm super smart. 23 spline. We didn't have very good thread engagement, but those are big old lugs. So, about to order some. These are Mosier axles. Probably gonna put some Mosier back in it, but we're putting the spool in with a 35 spline. So, I gotta pop this backing plate off, pop the other side backing plate off, and then we're going to measure the housing. He swears up and down it's 44, but if I have to order axles twice, I'll be mad. So, might as well measure it while I'm here. So, let's get that done. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have a mess on our hands, but it's all measured out. There's my measurements. Those are the old axles. I'm going to give Mosier a call in the morning. I got the strange drag brakes ordered for the back and the front, along with the new gear, and we got our spool. So, now it's time to go inside and get cleaned up for the Super Bowl. Who are you rooting for? I want the Bengals to win, but I don't think they're getting past the Rams. So, I think it's going to be a great time spending it with my dad, my kids, my wife. Let's go share and enjoy this time with family. So, thank you all so much for watching. If you want to see more of this car coming together, our first race is in April. That's when we're trying to debut the car. So, smash that subscribe button. Give this video a big old thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. All right, boys. We got Dad over there. Audrey's over there. Ashley and Gavin's in the kitchen getting their plate. Eating some good food. Watch the Super Bowl. Mika's begging. That's my new puppy. Mika. Mika. Love you. Alright, guys. As always, comment, like, and subscribe. Catch you next one. Peace.